Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez, and today I'm featuring another Halloween card using these design series paper that you have seen me use a lot lately. This is the Troil and Trouble, and you can see it has really nice images here, and I love that it has some pattern that could be greatly used for Halloween cards. Some others could be for like Thanksgiving. I think this will be really nice for Thanksgiving. I love these hats a lot, the witch's hat, and I love the witches a lot. Now, some of these designs can be die cut with the framelits, and you can see them here, the stamp set and the framelits. You can get them together as a bundle and save 10%. You can see you have the witch, the courtroom, the hat, the little cat, so even the frog. So anyway, a lot of these things can be cut with the frameless. So here I had already fussy cut some of these things. I used the hat, and I'm doing some pumpkins here. Like I said, I love the pumpkins, and we also have a new punch for bats, which I think is awesome because you get three bats out of the one punch. I think it's great. And so I had already cut one, and then I have a start. In this case, this one is out of the takeout thinlits dies. And let me just show it to you. So it's this one. It has really nice what do you call this, shape. So there's a heart, the stars, some tags, there's a whole leaf here. And if you don't know what it does, let me just show it to you. It is this one. So you definitely want to have that one. You get those out of the stamp set that coordinates with that one. So like I said, very, very nice, and I'm sure you will be able to use it for lots of occasions. So now for this card though, let's just start real quick. I have here my base, which is basic black, and this one is going to be, as usual, 5.5 by 8.5, which we're going to be folding in half. Use your bone folder to make sure you have a crisp fold. And I have a piece of Whisper White that I'm going to be putting in the center or in the middle so that I can have a space to write down. So let's just go ahead and do that one right away, because I always forget to show that part. And here we go. Then I have a piece of green, granny apple green, and this one is 5 by 3 3/4. By the way, this is the same size on the Whisper White. It's also 5 by 3 3/4. So it's the same size as this one. And we're gonna be using, I love the buffalo check for backgrounds, and if you don't know how this one looks, let me just show it to you. It's this one. I think this fabulous stamp set is also a great one for any of the holidays, any occasion. And surely it will be great for Halloween. But think about Christmas too. It will be really great for Christmas or Thanksgiving. If you do it like in the crumb cake or some browns or oranges, I mean, it will be really nice to use. So I had it already inked. Now I don't like when I have, you can see some marks here, so I'm just gonna go. Just make sure that you have everything covered. Then I'm going to be putting my piece here. And I'm going to go ahead and put this one, and then I'm going to start rubbing it. Okay, I'm trying to do this firmly. And because it's a large stamp, so you cannot just go like on the other ones where you stamp it like this, because it's too big of a area to stamp. So I usually use my hands. I just be careful to not move the piece underneath, and you'll see it. Okay, so now that I have it like so, here we go. Does that not look great? I think it does. So this one will be my card front. I'm gonna put it like so. I think that it looks gorgeous that way. And then I have these strips. And this one was die cut out of the Stitch Shapes frameless, and you can see it here. Ooh, that looks also awesome. But anyway, I'm gonna be using this side. And I think I want it like so. So let's just go ahead and glue it down. So here we go. And I'm going to glue down this section as well. All right. And then I'm going to be putting these pumpkins, you know. Feel like I like those, so I'll just start putting this one. The first one, I'm going to be adding them like that. And then I'm going to be adding this one like so. So this one will go raised on dimensionals. And this one here. So let's just put this one. And then I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive here because it's going to go overlapped. Like so. Then for these little pieces, I'm going to go ahead and add Wink of a Stella. I've been using more and more my Wink of a Stella on these elements, and I feel like it looks amazing. Now, if I can find the Wink of a Stella, because that's always the case with me. It was right here, I promise you. And I cannot find it. Maybe I'll have to skip that part since I cannot find it. What happened with it? It was right here. Anyway, we'll have to improvise, I guess. Let me see. Yeah, I cannot find it. Oh, here on my floor. All right, so just pump a little bit, and then you're gonna get it. There we go. There we go. Now we're gonna put it on this one. And I'll show you in a second because it looks like you have glimmer paper. And then we're gonna add it to the moon and the band here. And this witch's head. Oh, wow. It just looks fabulous. Okay. So now for this hat, we're gonna be putting it like so on this. And this one will be, yes, it has to be here. So I should have raised that one too, but okay. Since I didn't, I'll have to put this one flat because it will look kind of weird, honestly. We have the hat raised. There we go. And then we're gonna have this one with a mini dimensional. Yes. Alrighty. And we're gonna be putting this one like so. And then for this one, we're gonna go ahead and put the Trick or Treat that I've been using on all my cards. And if you don't know which stamp set this one is the Itty Bitty Greens, which I think is great because it has lots of the sentiments for different occasions. And it's a 2 stamp set here. So you have anniversary, you have some that could go also for like Thanksgiving, graduation, with gratitude. So it could be for a lot of seasons or events. So I think it's a great set to have on hand. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it like so. And I'm going to be punching this one out. Like I said, I've been doing a lot of these. Alrighty. And then, this is just a scrap of the gorgeous grape. And then I'm going to go ahead and, there we go. And let me just cut this little piece. We're going to put a glue dot. Oh. I'm going to put a glue dot here. Put this one here and then add the dimensional. And then since I have some house here, I'm just going to put the house. And we're going to be adding it to our card. And we are set. And that's it. What do you think? It looks amazing, don't you think? So anyway, like I said, this sans serif paper is amazing. I just love it. And I've been having a lot of fun making a lot of cards. Let me just show you some others. Here's another one that I made. A little bit different, but the same pumpkins, but the hat, those hats are amazing. Here's another one that I love. Like I said, the hats have been a bomb for me. I've been loving using them. And here's another one using other designs from that sans serif paper. So all of these have video tutorials in my YouTube channel. So if you like them, do subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get all of them. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my email list, where you get free tutorials and information about Stampin' Up, specials and whatnot. And finally, don't forget about my ordering incentive, which every time you, well, not every time, but you can, when you place an online order with me using the hostess code, you get the card kit of the month. And it is to make 4 cards. You get everything, instructions, and that has pictures and all the embellishments and whatever I use, the sans serif, but whatever I use to make the cards. The only thing that I do not include is the stamping, but you can use whatever you have on hand. And even better, if you want to purchase those items from me the next time, that will be great. I would greatly appreciate it. And if your order is $50 or more, you also get the accessory of the month. So anyway, if you have any questions, do leave me comments. I love to hear from you. And also let me know what you think about Halloween cards. Do you send them? Or do you like to do more the treat boxes like the one that I showed at the beginning? So anyway, hopefully you you like the card, and let me know. All right, let me know in the comments what you think. So see you, and I'll put all the items that I use in the description of this video. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.